beats, man.
That's how much we have in common. Yeah, that's how much we have in common. Whoa. Up on this mic, we're on it. Yeah, that's how much we have in common. That's how much we have in common. Whoa. That's how much we have in common. We are not alike, us, not alike us. You say you affiliated with murderous killers. Hey, the people you run with are thuggin'. Hey, but you just the one to be gonna. Hey, like you was gonna do something. Acting like you catching bodies. Hey, and you got juice, little young, and you're bugging. You ain't never even been charging connection with battery, bitch. You ain't plugged into nothing. Rap gods with lyrical bullets. These gats can't get partners with a tune-up. This has not to do with muscular. Don't have guns for sure, you better put 'em. Strap on other words if you're gonna roll up with your gang. You gonna need an arsenal, cause this bar is over your head. So you better have arms if you're gonna pull up. Oh, you run the streets, huh? Now you wanna come and fuck with me, huh? This little cocksucker, he must be feeling himself. He wants to keep up his tough demeanor, so he does a feature, decides to team up with Nina. But next time you don't gotta use Tech 9 if you wanna come at me with a submachine gun. And I'm talking to you, but you already know who the fuck you are, Kelly. I don't use sublime, and sure as fuck don't sneak this. But keep commenting on my daughter, Haley. I keep on telling motherfuckers bitches in case you forgot. Really, you need your memories, drawn like strawberry or pineapple, apricot jelly. I respawn jelly, but this time shady about the sound off.